I just got off the phone with Kendall Collins. He's the CMO of Salesforce.com. I was terribly impressed with that company before getting on the phone with Kendall, and I'm doubly impressed with that company now. The reason I was before was because I'm a user of this product, Salesforce.com. If you're not familiar with it, you definitely should do a quick Google search on the company. As it relates to marketing, you've got product, pricing, place, you've got promotion within promotion, you've got a lot of different ways to promote a product. Sales channel is one of them. The Salesforce channel is one of them. Personal selling is an element of the marketing mix. And for business-to-business companies in particular, it is one of their strongest pillars of revenue generation. You may use mass media to generate leads to get people to raise their hands, and then those leads ultimately are worked through the sales process to bring them to a logical point of conclusion. I don't know how many trillions of dollars on the planet are transacted in this way each year from the standpoint of the sales process. And typically, before Salesforce came around, Salesforce.com came around, how would you measure sales efficacy? A lot of times you'd measure it from sales points of how much someone sold. A lot of businesses have really long lead times, and measuring it based off of how much someone sold is not the way to do it, because it is the business's job to provide the process by which someone should be selling. And what does that process look like? How many outgoing calls were there to prospects? Where did those prospects come from? Of those outgoing calls, how many meaningful conversations were there? From those meaningful conversations, how many meetings were set? From those meetings, what percentage of those meetings turned into a proposal? How many steps did it take you from that proposal to move that proposal closer to closure? All of those steps, how before did you calculate all of them? How did you measure all of them? How did you monitor all of them? How did you know what you were getting from the investment? That is the brilliance behind Salesforce.com as a model. And I'm a user of the product. I believe in it. I believe in any product that allows you to be able to do such a thing. Kendall talks about that. And he talks about the one truth. He talks about a lot of things, but in particular, the truth as to how similar sales and marketing are. And if you're in marketing and you don't study sales, and if you're in sales, you don't study marketing, there's a huge miss. And this episode is going to share a lot of that with you, so I hope you enjoy it.